Hello everybody, welcome back to another makeup tutorial videos with Nicole. Happy Saturday and get ready with me to go to Coney Island. So this morning I just woke up very sleepy and approximately I just woke up a little late because, I don't know, I felt sleepy today because I was very tired to death. I do not know why. Why do I always waking up very sleepy to death? But not like waking up in one morning, but without waking up being sleepy. I'm like, well, Nicole, why you're always waking up sleepy? And I was like, I don't know, maybe I had a hard time like waking up like in one morning, but without being sleepy. But that doesn't mean that I admit this on the internet every single time in the morning. The moment I wake up, like not being able to wake up in one morning without being sleepy. You know what I mean, right? Without waking up very sleepy to death. Even if you wake up a little bit of sleepy, that's fine. Well, for me, I would wake up a little sleepy than a lot of sleepy to death. I felt a little terrible that I always kept waking up very sleepy to death. Like, that does not mean I have rejected this on the internet the moment I wake up, but without being tired or being sleepy to death. Like every single time I wake up in the morning, or even after weekends is over, and then all of a sudden it's Mondays, then sometimes I wake up very sleepy. I do not know why. Probably like, well, Nicole, why don't you get some sleep like a little early? Or why don't you just take a nap? Like, okay. I mean, I can just take at least a nap, like in the afternoon time. That's what I always do. Like, if I wake up sleepy in the mornings, then I usually take naps in the afternoon. Once I take naps, and then when I wake up after I take naps, then I don't feel sleepy anymore because that's how I do. Because that's how I felt when I wake up and I had a good nap. Like, I sleep too good, then I ended up not being sleepy anymore. But that does not mean that I had a bad day after I wake up sleepy. Let's say if it happens once or happens twice or 3 times or over 3 times, that does not mean I had a bad day after I wake up very sleepy. But it's okay. But at least I tried my best to like not having a bad day or being in a bad mood if I wake up sleepy, or trying to be in a good mood even though if I wake up sleepy. But it's okay. It happens sometimes. It's normal to like wake up sleepy in the mornings, especially after the weekend is over and then all of a sudden it's Mondays. I'm telling you right now, if you want to make sure you don't have a bad day on Mondays, I recommend try to get some like good sleep, or you can just talk to your parents about your feelings. That's how I get on Mondays. Like, my dad always messes with me on Mondays. I told him not to. Like, I warned him about not messing with me. Like, I don't know, like every Mondays that I had to deal with him. And but it's like, I don't like how he treated me on Mondays. Like, I get very angry very easily, you know, because I hate when people mess with me, because that's how I get. I get sensitive, or let's say people's judging me, or especially my dad judges me. That's how I get. I don't know what look to do to go out to Coney Island tonight, but I'm gonna go with this, I don't know, like this smoky mauve color. And I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Wet n Wild. Alright. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color. And I definitely need a mirror for this, but alright. I'm gonna take this beautiful mauve color. This is like soft mauve color. Oh my god, I absolutely love this mauve eyeshadow. This color is actually pretty. I absolutely love this color a lot. I'm gonna do eyeshadows on the lower lash line because, I don't know, I don't want to look too bad. Because I hate when I do not put on eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Because, first of all, I don't want to look too bad when I do my makeup. Two, just want to look better than not wearing eyeshadow on the lower lash line, because that's what I always do. I always do that, especially on photo shoot for my upcoming music releases. That's what I love to do. And yeah, most likely on the upper eyelids, I always put eyeshadows. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise eyeshadow palette from Revolution. And again, I'm not sure what look to do, but I always create like new eyeshadow colors. Okay, here's the mirror. Alright, you can go check it out. I bought this at Target, and I'm not sure what look to do, but I'm gonna go with this fuchsia purple. It's called Tail Feather. And I'm gonna mix with pink. Oh. I'm gonna mix with pink. It's called Vacay. Like, I absolutely love these colors, these fuchsia purple and the dark pink. So I will create this look for a night out. I'm gonna go with this dark pink. Okay, now I did my, I'm gonna call it like a fuchsia pink and purple eyeshadow look. But you wanna see it? Looking good. Well, I felt like I almost put too much. Well, I didn't want to do too much of like putting too much eyeshadow, like almost darker than doing the lighter ones, but it's only because I'm going for a night out, but that's totally okay. So I'm gonna remove it a little bit and do like eyeshadow colors on the lower lash line, and I'll come back. Okay, now I finished fixing my eyeshadow, and I did eyeshadows on the lower lash line, so looks good. Anyway, update. I'm planning to go out with my friends on Monday, and we're gonna make another vlog, so stay tuned for that, because I really make plans with my friends to go out. Also, one more thing, I don't have to deal with my dad this coming Monday because he's always getting on my last nerves on Mondays. Like, I'm trying to be in a good mood without him bothering me or putting me in a bad mood for literally no reason. But I'm trying my best. I warned him not to mess with me on Mondays because that's how I get. I get very pissed. It always makes me mad because that's how I feel, and I get very sensitive when people mess with me. So hopefully I'll be able to hang out with my friends and spend more time with them than having to deal with my deadbeat dad. And excuse my language, but that's how I get, because I don't like when my dad messes with me on Mondays. That's how I get. So I'm telling you right now, if you want to make sure you don't get messed with on Mondays, I recommend share your feelings, go take walks, and spend more time with your friends than doing with your deadbeat dad if you have one. If not, that's okay. If you have a nice dad, that's okay. If not, that's okay. You always share your feelings, alright? I'm always here to help. Not only he messed with me on Mondays, but sometimes on Mondays, sometimes on Saturdays when he's home, he messes with me. And I was like, stop with your bullshit, and excuse my language, but I don't want him messing with me on Saturdays, because when he messes with me, that's how I get. I get very, very, very sensitive to death. Makes me want to cry, because that's how I get. Just like my best friend Alexa. And we both get sensitive when people mess with us, especially my best friend Alexa. That's how she gets. And yes, she gets sensitive when people talk back at her, being mean to her, not having respect with her. That's how she gets. And it definitely hurts my feelings and hers as well. We both cry to death. When people judge us, gets on our last nerves, mess with us, and talking back at us, that's how we get. And I said to myself, when will Dad ever stop messing with me on Mondays, especially on Saturdays? It has to come to an end. There's no point, because I'm now 19. He has to treat me in the way he wants to be treated, but with respect, not talking trash to me, because that's how I get, once again. Alright? My best friend's like, well, Nicole, why don't you just talk to me on the phone? You can always talk to me about your feelings. Well, okay. Well, yes, I can always talk to my friends on the phone to share my feelings, like how am I feeling, how am I doing, what am I up to, alright? So don't worry about this. It will come to an end for my dad to mess with me on Mondays, sometimes, and sometimes on Saturdays, because that's how I get, and I get very angry and it puts me in the bad mood. Also makes me want to cry to death, just like my best friend Alexa. Alright, I finished my makeup, so you want to see it? Oh my god, it looks so good on me. So now I'm going to call it a fuchsia, pink, and purple summer look. And this is my another summer makeup tutorial video. Alright, so more makeup tutorial videos from me. More coming soon, alright? Still working on it, and more dance tutorials from me. More coming soon, my dance tutorial videos, alright? So I'll keep you posted for more great content, alright? So, my hair is completely a mess, because I just woke up, and my bangs got ruined as well, alright? So, I'm gonna go fix my hair, change my outfit, and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the end result. So when you guys like this final look, I guess. So I fixed my hair. I just put a hair in a ponytail, and I just fixed up my bangs because I don't want my bangs to look messy and get ruined. And check out my new bangs I'm wearing. Oh, by the way, I got my nails done, so you want to see it? Looks good. I guess. So, we're showing my full outfit. This is the final look, so looks very cute. If you guys like it. So, thank you guys for watching my fuchsia, pink, and purple summer makeup look / get ready with me. So, we're gonna make a vlog and we're gonna be taking pictures together. I also want to say that I should be posting more vlogs in the summertime, even though we're in August, but I will do my best to post new vlogs and show you guys my new music for my upcoming debut EP. It's gonna come out this fall, my debut EP, so stay tuned, and stay tuned for my new makeup tutorial videos / get ready with me videos, or a photo shoot for my debut EP. It's gonna come out this fall between September and October, right? Alright guys, so thank you for watching my today's video, and make sure you wish me I have fun going to Coney Island. for a night out for this weekend. And don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channel for more great content I'm posting. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos I posted. Alright, more dance tutorial videos from me coming soon. Again, I'm still working on it, it's in progress, but I will show it to you like in the next few days. Alright, so make sure you wish me I have fun going to Coney Island. And see you in my next video. Love you guys.